ayat from the glorious Qur'an, from Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 4040, in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Ya Bani Israel, O you children of Israel, Ya Bani Israel, azkuru ne'mati allati an'amtu alaykum. O children of Israel, bring to your memory, bring to your minds my favors upon you. Wa awfu bi ahdi. So fulfill your promise to me. Ufi bi ahdikum. Then I will fulfill my promise unto you. Wa iyyaya farhabun. And do not fear anyone except me. Wa aminu. In ayat number 41 of Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, ayat number 41, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives a message to Bani Israel, saying, Wa aminu, and believe. Bima anzaltu musaddiqan lima ma'akum. Believe in what is revealed to you. It confirms that which was with you. Then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the same ayat reminds the Bani Israel, and Allah says, Wala takunu awwala kafirin bihi. Do not become the first of all the people to reject this. Wala tashtaru bi ayati samanan khalila. Neither sell the ayat, neither make a business of the religion. Do not make a business of my ayat to gain some money from it. Wala tashtaru bi ayati samanan khalila. Do not sell my ayat for a miserable price. Wa iyyaya fattakhun, and fear none except me. Wala talbasul haqqa bil batil. Allah says, do not cover the truth with falsehood. Wala taktumul haq. Neither hide this truth. Wala taktumul haq. Wa antum ta'lamun. And you know very well that this is the truth from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now this message is very clear that this is for Bani Israel. Now based on this message, what comes to the minds of the Muslims is two primary things. One, that the Qur'an speaks about Israel. And at the same time, to the minds of the non-Muslims, they shall also know that this book, the Qur'an, speaks about Israel. The second thing that comes to the mind of us Muslims is, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala speaks about the Bani Israel as a people or as an ummah before the ummah of Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and reminds them in the Quran to believe in this book and the book that was revealed before this.